Hello everyone and welcome to my National Gallery vlog part 2. In this video I will be going around the National Gallery and just showing you a few of the paintings there and chatting about them as well. So I do hope you enjoy it and let us begin. It is a beautiful grey day, lots of rain, woohoo! Currently there is a Bermejo exhibition going on in the National Gallery. Unfortunately I can't take videos or pictures in there, but it is incredibly amazing. And being able to see his art close up, I've never actually seen his paintings live before, so for me it's extremely exciting. He's a Spanish artist and he's kind of really known for his beautiful style of mixing figures, sort of religious figures, with these incredible, fantastical landscapes. And his skill, really technical skill and precise brushwork with oils is really, really amazing and beautiful. Even more beautiful to see close up. So I do highly recommend going to see it for yourself. I'm a huge admirer of Claude Lorrain. I think he's an absolutely brilliant artist and he also influenced Turner a lot. His work is very imaginative and beautiful, and he was also a baker. You can definitely tell this artist was influenced by Caravaggio. I just adore Hal's lucid brushstroke in this painting, which gives it an amazing sense of life, and I love the pose as well, absolutely brilliant. These were three painters who were brothers, and this is possibly a portrait of them. They were best known for their paintings of peasant life, and after two of the brothers died, one of them went to prison in 1662. If you ever wanted to know what Cézanne looked like, here we have a self-portrait, better than selfies. Gainsborough often disapproved of where his paintings were put in galleries, as in the positioning, and I wonder if he'd approve of his positioning there. Probably one of my favourite things about this very famous painting is the boy here, who just looks so mysterious and shifty. I find it hilarious. Behind me is the hot-headed and highly controversial friend of Van Gogh. We have Rodin. Côte de Boeuf by Pissarro. I hope you enjoyed my little mini tour of the National Gallery once again. I definitely hope to come back and do another vlog because there are some paintings that I wasn't able to get to, and there's also Goya downstairs, but I think I don't have the time to do that one right now. So I definitely come back and do another vlog. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and with some little kind of funny knowledge as well of mine thrown in. So thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Take care.